It's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is a shock made by Progressive, a 416-1609. Now, this is actually an air shock, which means this airline is going to go in here when this cap's taken off. You'll then have a T-piece between the two, which means you can adjust the pressure so they're both even. Okay, so you haven't got the problem where some of the older Kawasaki's and that you had one shock and you had to put a strider valve in each and try and get the pressure the same. So this is a much better system. Another system we do is actually this one here, which is used on the soft tails. This particular shock is used airwise for these compressor adjusters are used for adjusting the ride height as you're going along, unofficially of course, because the bike should be in neutral when that works. But on mine, for instance, I've got it so I can adjust it on the fly because I'm short in the leg and I like lots of good suspension travel and high ground clearance. Okay, another option you got for your baggers, your soft tails, etc. Going back to normal shocks, this is your top of range, your rolling style with a remote dash pots, adjustable damping. You can see here compression, and then you've got the rebound. You've also got the spring preload, which means you can crank the spring up to give you much more ride height and much stiffer ride. Okay, this is 430s, similar thing without all the gizmos. Basically this one, you turn the top when this is on the bike, you can do this quite easily, and this will adjust the spring preload because this is threaded. The easy way to see it is this: a normal preload adjustable shock, it's got two lock rings and this goes up and down, compressing the spring up, and that will give you your preload on that one. This particular shock, you can see here the preload is done by ratcheting this thing round with a T-spanner, which you get with the shock. So the higher you make that, the more that goes up. Whereas these are obviously infinitely more adjustable. Very good quality. And these also, if you look at this, is ride height adjustable. So this will screw half an inch that way and half an inch that way. So this 13-inch shock will actually give you 12.5 or 13.5, which is pretty cool. This is our new Magnum Shocks. Very cool CNC billet. Very well made. And as you can see, the lock rings here for the spring pressure and the lock ring here for the ride height. Also in black, which does look pretty cool, especially if you've got one of the older style bikes. You don't want all these tin chrome covers going on. If you're interested in any great shocks, give us a call, 01773835666, CustomCruisers.com, or the new site, CustomCruisers.eu, if the French ever sort it, but they haven't for 4 years, so why will they? Alternatively, phone me, Mike, 01773835666. Thank you.